Hey guys, Ryan's Robotics here again. I just wanted to give a little update on my DL project because it's been 2 weeks and I've worked quite a bit on it. So yeah. So starting off, I have been working on like the mechanical bits quite a bit, and I've started programming it and stuff like that. So first up, I started the program like the balance. I guess it doesn't need much balancing, but if it does, I started to do that. And I fried my gyroscope, so I have to wait to get a new one of those to continue with the driving and turning. I could probably do a temporary thing, but it wouldn't be permanent. I had the upgrade that I think I had a little yellow motor in here before. It just wasn't powerful enough, so I had to upgrade that. I just finished mounting this servo that'll be controlling the neck. Also, I'm sorry, my dog is in my room. He's freaking out because we have people redoing our roof. Anyway, here's the neck. Or the neck gear, I guess. This is the actual neck that I'm hopefully gonna be able to use. Let me focus a little bit here. Sorry guys, I'm like one hand on my phone right now. Come on. There. As you can see, just 3D printed this. That's gonna fit into those holes. You just gotta sand it down a little bit and make it fit. I don't exactly know if that gear is gonna touch this gear. That's something that I still need to figure out. I like just 3D printed the amount for this servo right now, and I haven't put it together yet. But I'll test that probably right after I finish this recording. And so I found a battery that I'm gonna use temporarily just to test the motors. It's a 10 volt battery basically. Yeah. I'm using it from a RC Batmobile. And I haven't been using the Batmobile lately because I got a new RC car and that one's not very fast. Anyway, this is my battery that I'm using. I have some controls in here for when I build the actual wireless controller. Got some RF, got some antennas. I'm gonna need to fit one of these antennas inside the body with the Arduino and stuff, so that's one of the things that I'm gonna be doing soon, is mounting all the electronics inside. This keeps wanting to not focus. Yeah. So yeah, this panel, I was originally going to print it to look like DL, but then while it was ending, the print got messed up. Basically the print bed ended up being moved, and it messed up, and it was not going to align correctly. So I canceled it, and I decided just to use the plate, just anyway, because it's printed enough to fit on it and to stay. So I'm just gonna be using it as a temporary plate, I guess, then I'll print the other one, I guess, when I need to, when I can, whatever. So that's that. That is my DO project so far. I just wanted to do this short video just to show you guys that I'm still working on it. So yeah. thank you guys for watching. I still have yet to do that update video, but I will get there eventually. Actually, I might not do it now. I don't know if I will, because I covered it in the last video. We will see. I might not. But this is the update on DL, and I hope you guys have a great day. And I will post the next video when this is coming along a little bit more. I will either be posting it when I got some electronics actually mounted inside the body, or when I start making the actual head on here and getting servos and stuff and that. We'll see. Talk to you guys later. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, please. And stay watching my content if you enjoy what you see. Thanks, guys. Bye.